Hi, I'm Mike Vardis, Principal of Australasian Piling Company. I've introduced into Australia the latest in piling technology, the G-pile. G stands for grip. We grip the precast pile and pull it into the ground against the weight of the machine to its required load and level, and at that point we impose a short-term static load test to give 100% design confidence. But that's not the only feature of the G-pile system. We push piles into the ground with no noise and no vibration. While I've been talking to you, I've been putting a pile in. When's the last time you could sit under a machine with your hand on the pile without any interference to yourself, the workmen around and the neighbours? So please enjoy this video about the G-pile procedure, and if you want to discuss this at any time, please call me. Thanks.
At last, a pile driving system with no noise, no vibration and no contamination. Too good to be true? Not anymore. Australasian Piling Company's unique G-pile system utilises a new quiet technique that solves the noise, vibration and pollution problems that have long plagued the construction industry. Our G-pile hydraulic pile installation system uses a patented grip jacking technique to literally inject the pile into the ground. The principle of the G-pile system is deceptively simple. The rig is set up over the pile site that should be relatively flat and compacted. The individual piles are installed into the driving chamber using a crane or winch. Once in the chamber, each pile is checked to ensure it's centered and plumb. When driving commences, the jacking cylinders literally push the pile using the dead weight of the rig and ballast. More ballast is added as required. Our unique patented grip jacking system holds the pile vertical as it's driven, ensuring it can't wander offline. If required, another pile is added and spliced using a variety of methods, including steel pins, screw threads, welding or strong epoxy. The method depends on the type of pile. The pile's plumb is continually checked and the loads noted on the pile driving record. The jacking is continued with more piles being added until the pile reaches founding depth and the required pressure is achieved. The set pressure is held for 30 seconds with zero deflection or until the engineer is satisfied. When the pile has frozen and the required load has been achieved, any remaining pile above ground is cut back and the rig moves on to the next pile. A simple yet effective process that's completed with absolute minimum disturbance and disruption to the environs. A construction industry breakthrough. An added bonus of the G-pile system is that each pile is effectively proof-loaded to failure during construction. We carry out a static load test on each pile as it's installed, which eliminates the need for further load and integrity testing. G-pile can be used to install precast or steel piles up to 600 tons. We have two models available. One is sure to match your needs. The YZY 600T can install precast or steel piles to unlimited depths to an ultimate load of 600 tons. The